With more than a dozen succeeding at the next level, let's check out our Wildcats in the NFL. Presented by Subway. Eat fresh.
It'll be taken out by Byron Pringle. And he finds a seam. He breaks a tackle. The kicker to beat. Look at Pringle. He will go all the way.
Unless, of course, we have a fake coming up.
Well, you never know. Here's Tommy Townsend, and there's the fake like you call. It's Pringle downfield. They get the first down.
Protected and intercepted at the 12. It's a Seahawk takeaway and down to the 14. Hope to have him for the game in Buffalo next week. Backed away, trying to go to Trent Taylor.
DJ Reed has made some plays today, hasn't he?
He has.
He just got called up today. He's coming out there, practiced this week, and he's made plays. He's been on the blitz. He's intercepted a pass, just knocked down a crossing route right there. Really showed himself well today.
At Subway, you can choose from a wide variety of delicious salads, subs, and more, freshly prepared right in front of you. Subway. Eat fresh.